In this video, I am going to find the y-intercept of a line, which is this line, if this line goes through the point -2, 1. Please keep in mind the equation is given as y is equal to -3/5 x plus b. b is unknown. We are looking for the b. However, they have told us that the line goes through the point -2, 1. Now we have to use this information to find the value of b, and that will give us the y-intercept. The problem as it is given, it made our life a little bit easier because it's almost given in the form y is equal to mx plus b. We know m, which is this -3/5, but we need to find b. To find b, what we are going to do for x, we are going to put -2, and for y, we are going to put 1 in this equation, and then solve for b. So it's given y is equal to 1, so this y is equal to -3/5 times x, but x is -2, so I'm going to put -2 plus b. Now I'm going to solve for b. 1 is equal to this -2 times -3/5 is going to be a positive number. 3 times 2 is 6/5 plus b. Now, in order to solve for b, all I need to do is just subtract 6/5 from both sides. Once that is done, on the left hand side is going to be 1 minus 6/5, and on the right hand side -6/5 positive 6/5 is going to cancel. That's going to give me b. Now I need to simplify the left hand side. So 1 times 5 divided by 5, which is, by the way, still 1. I did multiply it by 5 and divide it by 5 to make sure that I have the same denominator. It's going to be -6/5 is equal to b, or if I continue right here from here, so I get 5/5 minus 6/5 is equal to b, or 5 minus 6/5 is equal to b, or -1/5 is equal to b, which is to say b is equal to -1/5. By the way, in going from here to here, I have used this thing. If I say x is equal to y, it's the same equivalent to saying that y is equal to x, correct? If p is equal to q, q is equal to p. So I'm saying -1/5 is equal to b, which is to say that b is equal to -1/5. Now I'm going to take this b value and plug it into this equation, and if I do so, I get the following: y is equal to -3/5 x plus b, but b is -1/5, so I'm going to put -1/5. Okay. Now we have the y-intercept. So this b is going to be my y-intercept. So the y-intercept for this straight line is going to be at 0, -1/5, which is, by the way, if I sketch it quickly, this is x and this is y. 0, -1/5 is probably somewhere here. 0, -1/5. And I can even sketch the line. The slope is -3/5. So if I go 3 units below this, so let's say 1, 2, 3 units below, then I'll go 5 units to the right, positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I have the other point right here. Okay, so now I can just connect these two to sketch it. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.